Hello, and welcome to Library's Introduction to Omni workshop. My name is Paul, and I will show you the basics of Omni, the library's search engine. Together, we will discover how to find a wide variety of resources and how to optimize your use of Omni. The learning objectives for this session are: understand what Omni is and how to use it for searches, apply filters to refine your results. Finally, familiarize yourself with the lending and information access tools on the library search platform. But first of all, what is Omni? Omni is the University of Ottawa Library's search tool. Omni allows you to search the University of Ottawa Library print collection, many databases to which we subscribe, the institutional repository. You can use Omni to find books, book chapters, journals, newspaper articles, theses, conference proceedings, images, and much more. You can also use Omni to search the print collections of 18 other academic libraries in Ontario. We'll explain later how to access resources available at other universities.